everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing really well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of career and personal finance related videos here on my channel, so if that's something of interest to you, then please do subscribe down below. Now if you are also new, then be sure to follow me over on my Instagram as well. It's Successbysanjna. Now as you can tell by the title of today's video, I want to share with you what you can do with your money if you've just got it sitting in your savings account. Now if you are interested in knowing, then please keep watching. Okay, so I want this video to be a very quick video around some of the options you have as to where you can put your money. Now of course this is non-financial advice. I'm not a professional when it comes to money. This is just based off of my personal experience. So obviously the first option is, and it's a very safe option, and I wouldn't call this investing, but if you've got your money sitting in a transaction account, then just switch it over to a savings account. I know savings accounts do not provide you with the highest interest at the moment, but it's better than nothing. And if you are looking for a safe option of, keeping your money, if you are in the process of buying maybe an investment and you need to save for that down payment, then this may be a great option for you. There are a few accounts out there which are offering between 1 to 3% interest, so just do your research and look around, and I'm sure you'll be able to find something to suit your needs. Now the next option you have is to invest into ETFs. ETFs are exchange traded funds, and these are basically investment funds that are made up of multiple shares or other assets that can be bought and sold on the stock exchange. So how I like to think of ETFs is like a basket. So you've got multiple shares within that basket which you can invest in, and these generally provide a return of up to 10%. So it is a very safe option and definitely great for someone that's really a beginner into the world of investing. And as mentioned, as they are part of a basket of goods, you can essentially get ETFs for a variety of asset classes like bonds, real estate, commodities, and stocks. And if you didn't already notice, then I am going down in order of risk. So obviously saving your money in a savings account is quite safe and there are very limited risks involved, and then obviously following through with ETFs, which is the next sort of safest option. Now the next option we have as well, if you are a little bit more of a thrill seeker and you want to delve into the world of stocks and shares, then this can provide you with returns up to 8% or even more. So if you are interested in knowing more about stocks, I personally am not a stocks person, but there are many personal finance channels out there which do talk about stocks and shares in case you are interested. So be sure to look into that. I'm just providing you with some options so that you don't have your money just sitting in a transaction account. Now stocks or shares of a company represent ownership, equity in a firm, which gives the shareholders voting rights as well as a residual claim on the corporate earnings in the form of capital gains and dividends. Now essentially what this means is if you were to buy a stock from maybe Apple, then if Apple performs well over the year, then you'll get a small payout which is called a dividend, and depending on the performance of these companies, your dividends may be higher or lower. So therefore stocks and shares are sometimes also volatile as well. You just need to make sure that you are picking the right company to invest in, and that obviously comes down to your research. Now if you're not a fan of investing in ETFs or stocks or shares, and if you're someone like me, then you can invest into real estate. I personally have been a big fan of investing into real estate. I've now obviously purchased 3 investment properties over the past year or so, and I feel like it's just a safe bet. We all know that real estate is going to appreciate over the years, and if you're investing into real estate, you're doing it for the long run. And personally for me, I have seen the benefits of investing into real estate, obviously with the help of a buyer's agent, because I personally don't know what to look out for. So personally for me, I've been able to see some equity that I've been able to extract out to purchase my second and third property. So the difference between this and investing your money into ETFs or stocks is that real estate investing, and one of the reasons why I love investing in real estate is because of its leverage returns. So the fact that I have now been able to purchase my second property by extracting the equity from the first one means that I have to put in less money of my own to be able to purchase another property, and I think that's just insane. So personally for me, real estate has definitely been a great option, and it's definitely one that I suggest you do your research and look into as well. Now, the next option that we have is cryptocurrency. You guys all know I'm a very big fan of cryptocurrency. I've been investing since 2018, so definitely a while now, and I feel like I know my way around it. Obviously, cryptocurrency is not for everyone. It is very volatile, but if you are able to get in at the right time and understand the cycles, then you have the potential of making a lot of money. Essentially, cryptocurrency, for those of you who aren't aware, is basically a digital currency or a virtual currency which works on blockchain technology. So if you want to do a little bit more research into it, I definitely recommend you do. But essentially, it's just another form of digital currency. You may have heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. I've done many videos here on my channel before talking about cryptocurrency and my portfolio as well. So if you are interested, I will leave them down below. And also just want to mention that this portion of the video is sponsored by Swiftx. Swiftx is an Australian cryptocurrency exchange. It's the cryptocurrency exchange that I personally use and I have been using for quite some time now, and they have been nice enough to provide me with a referral link. So if you click the referral link down in the description box below, you'll be able to get $10 worth of free Bitcoin upon your verification when you sign up to create an account with Swiftx. What I love about Swiftx is it's easy to use interface. There is a demo feature, so if you don't want to play around with real money, you can play around with fake money or dummy money and really just figure out the ins and outs of cryptocurrency, how the platform works. And I love that they've got an app as well. It's always very helpful to have something on your phone so you are able to track your cryptocurrency portfolio. And honestly, the sign up process is very simple. If you're looking to getting started, I can tell you that you can get started within a couple of minutes. Personally for me, it took me only 2 minutes to get started, and your account is then good to go. So if you are interested, as always, I'll leave the link in the description box below in case you are interested in investing into cryptocurrency or just getting that $10 bonus worth of Bitcoin. Now, if you are a bit of a daredevil, then you can have a look into the world of NFTs. NFTs are non-fungible tokens. These have recently emerged and have been all the craze, and personally for me, I have delved into this world a little bit. I have actually purchased NFTs of my own just to get a sense of what it's like, and I have no intention of selling because for me this is a long-term investment. And for those of you who aren't aware as to what NFTs are, they are basically virtual forms of art which are selling like cryptocurrency, and they can be forms of either music, video, art, collectibles, and a lot of artists, a lot of celebrities are backing the NFT sort of bandwagon. Now personally for me, when I did purchase my NFT, I had to make sure that I had enough Ethereum to be able to buy, because that's how you can actually buy these NFTs. They are running also on the Ethereum blockchain, but as of recent, I believe there is also Solana as well, which has jumped on board, and that's why we are seeing the prices of Solana skyrocket. So guys, that's a little bit about some of the different methods or some of the different avenues that you have to invest your money. I just want to be able to share with you some options so that, if you've got your money just sitting in a transaction account, then perhaps look into a few of these options and do the research for yourself so that you can get started on your wealth creation journey as well and building a life of financial freedom. Of course, this is non-financial advice, but guys, that's everything that I wanted to talk to you guys about today. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks guys.